This is the structure of the iron head. Set reasonable tip temperature. 340 degrees Celsius to 360 degrees Celsius for lead-free solder. How to clean soldering tips. Dry cleaning by metal wool. Dirty dry cleaner. Flux, oxides. Remove dirty metal wool. Empty the solder collecting box. Replace by new wool. Good condition for cleaning tips. Just stick tip into dry cleaner. Turn.
Don't stick in too deep.
Don't wipe off. Don't knock off. Add new solder after cleaning. Alternative, dry cleaning by brush. Difficult to clean. Large area and odd-shaped tips. Alternative method, clean by brass brush. Don't brush towards the handpiece. Don't use a steel brush. Dump spore cleaning. Sponge must be damp, not wet. Wipe off carefully. Damp, not wet. Immediately add new solder. Other mistakes in tip cleaning. Don't use abrasives. Don't use chemicals. How to use tip reactivator. Set temperature to 250 degrees Celsius to 270 degrees Celsius. Stick wettable area of the tip into the activator paste and move slightly. Clean from tip activator residues. Add new solder after cleaning. How to exchange soldering tips? Switch off station, unscrew tip and remove it to standby tweezers. Don't use inappropriate plié. Don't place tips off the stand. Don't store tips the stand with opening upwards, dirt may fall in. Store tips on the brass pins only. Heater care. Use clean brass brush to clean off oxidized heating elements. Other no-go operations. Don't apply pressure during soldering. Don't feed solder to tip directly. How to extend tip lifetime? Use standby temperature function. Use soldering station shutdown.
MPN Tech. One-stop PCBA solution in Singapore.